The Antenna Gain dBi interactive calculator helps you convert between different antenna parameters and calculate gain values for various RF engineering applications. This calculator has 6 calculation modes available in the drop-down menu: gain from power ratio, gain from effective aperture area, gain from directivity and efficiency, calculate received power from gain, freeze transmission to antennas, and estimate gain from beam width. For this demonstration, I'm using gain from power ratio mode. The input fields include power ratio G, effective aperture area in square meters, frequency in mHs, directivity D linear, antenna efficiency from 0 to 1, transmit power in watts, distance in meters, receiver antenna gain in dBi, transmitter antenna gain in dBi, beam width E-plane in degrees, and beam width H-plane in degrees. Let me show you a calculation. I'll enter 10 for all input fields. Power ratio 10, effective aperture area 10, frequency 10, directivity 10, antenna efficiency 10, transmit power 10, distance 10, receiver antenna gain 10, transmitter antenna gain 10, and both beam width values at 10 degrees. After clicking Calculate, the result shows antenna gain equals 10.00 dBi. This represents the logarithmic gain of your antenna system based on the power ratio input. Find the link in the description below.